All right, guys, I'm very excited today to show you my new scooter that my wife got me. This is Ausom, and the model is L2 Max. This is a dual motor. From my understanding, this thing is 73.4 pounds. I mean, it's very heavy. So we're gonna unbox this and see exactly what's inside. So let's go and do this quick. I'm very excited, guys. As you can see, it's been a long time since I have a scooter, and we're gonna unbox this. And let's just go over and basically show everything how it looks. And we can see inside. From my understanding, this scooter, it comes preset already. It's already loaded. So you're gonna have to see how it looks like. Basically gonna go on and put the scooter. This is how the scooter comes. So if you go back and check all the stuff, comes almost preloaded. You can see here. You probably have to remove everything out. So I think so. Just gonna take this thing off. We have the batteries here. This is the charger. Comes with the charger right here. Remove this. Oh, one more thing. If you get to the place where you need the batteries, you need to buy a second batteries because, yeah, this thing is not enough. So we're gonna have to go on and remove everything, and it's very heavy. This is what, 74 pounds. We're gonna remove just the top and see how it looks. Okay, remove this off. Okay, so we have some card here. This is the NFC card. Comes with two, and we have another spare. So we got 3 NFC card in here, which is really good. So let's remove this. Something is holding it. I have no idea. Okay, let's see. So everything comes out nicely and neat. Now, right now, my cats are they're very curious, like what's going on. Hey, mama, you wanna come and check? I'm gonna have to see how long it's gonna take me for me to get this done. But one thing I love about this scooter is that it comes in, like the handle, it's pure neat. There's nothing between, so that way I can mount my lights. Coming soon, I'm gonna show you again how I pimp this scooter. Is gonna be really awesome. I had a Polo scooter where I was able to pimp it real nice. So this time I'm having another scooter. So this is gonna be really good. I'm gonna put this scooter together and basically pimp my scooter. So let's go, and I'm gonna remove this first. Let's see what's inside. Oh, they give you gloves. White gloves. Okay. And some extra tools. It's really nice. So we're gonna open this up first. This is big. uh okay, we're gonna do is we're gonna put handlebar. I think it's gonna be like this. I'm mistaken. Wait, how am I doing this? This is the correct way. Yep. This is the correct way. Like this. If it's gonna be some handle here, well, we're gonna find out. Let's see what are these stuff here. What's this for? I'm going and read the manual. Handlebar. Okay. We're gonna remove now everything here. Let's see how it's gonna look like. This thing is plasticky, you know, they say it's plastic, so we're gonna have to basically just go on and see exactly. Right, it's time now to remove the scooter. Let's see how it looks. I'm gonna remove all the plastic out, and you know, you can just basically see how everything looks. Scooter looks really good, you know, and right here we can see there is a USB-C and USB two USB to connect here, and I think this is just a plastic static. This is basically what you got, and you can go now and take this bad boy off. First of all, you gotta remember this thing is 75 pounds, so I'm gonna lift it up and put it aside. First time, let's lift this up now and see how it goes. See how it looks. Okay, not bad. You know what's funny about cats? My kitties, she's running around like something is with her. You know, they're just very curious. So here we go now. We're gonna remove this and see exactly how. This is a ready and go. It's very, very high scooter, to be honest. So we get right here. The scooter is powered to say unlock via NFC or password. The default is okay, so this is unlocked. You can see the scooter is lighting up. Let me put this thing away, so that way we can all see exactly how it looks like. This is exactly how the scooter looks. I'm gonna put this stuff away. Okay, so we're gonna put this box away and literally just see how the scooter looks like. And voila, this is the scooter. So again guys, this is my scooter right here. I'm very, very excited to ride this scooter. Right now the battery, I believe, is 75%. You know, I'm gonna leave it on. So I'm gonna take this scooter outside Let me get my first ride and see how it looks like. But the brake is good. Yeah. The front and the back, really, really good. So this is like in the eco mode. Yeah. Okay. Oh, this is for the lighting. Then you press over there, you get that. Okay, I get it now. But this is how my scooter looks. I'm probably gonna go downstairs, go to my storage and get me some light and my helmet and start riding the scooter. So yeah.